am back with another video on parents and grandparents peer program in 2021. In today's video, you will get all the information about how to label and upload the documents and the form, how to complete the consent and the declaration, and how to submit the complete and correct application to IRCC. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Charisma. Hope you all doing great and staying safe. If you are new here, I provide information and free advice about Canadian immigration and help people to apply for Canada PR, which can save them a lot of money. Without a further delay, let's start today's video. Now when you have all your forms completed and ready to submit and your all documents are handy, at this point you need to scan and save the documents on your computer to upload. As I told you in my previous video that you should name the documents with the same name as you need to upload. But IRCC released a special recommendation for this application to label the documents. So let's have a look how to name or label the documents. When you are saving the documents in your computer, you need to use the last name of the person whose document it is. So last name, then hyphen, then first name of the person, then hyphen, and then document type. Document type means what kind of document it is. Suppose I said here Brown is the last name, Jack and Cindy is the first name, invitation letter, because it is the invitation letter for Jack, who is the principal applicant, and Cindy, who is the dependent spouse of the principal applicant. Here you can see I said Brown Tim PR card. Brown is the last name, hyphen, Tim is the first name, hyphen, PR card. It is sponsors whose name is Tim Brown, that person's PR card. So that's how you need to use the last name, hyphen, first name, hyphen, document type. To do that, open your document checklist and go through all the documents one by one and check if you have all ready on your computer. So first one is parents and grandparents invitation letter. Same as I told you before, you need to save here Brown, Jack, Cindy invitation letter. Your last name of your parents and grandparents, first name of both, and then invitation letter. Then go back to the document checklist. Next is IMM 1344, which need to be completed by the sponsor and it should be saved on the computer. So that's how you need to check if you are ready. That I am ready, like IMM 5344 here. So we have ready that one. Then go to the next document. This form is ready or not. IMM 5768. You can go back IMM 5768. That's how you're gonna check all the forms. These forms need to be completed online. They supposed not to be on computer. And then the document number 9 is processing fee. How you gonna save that? Go here, Brown, Jack, Cindy means last name, first name of the principal applicant, and the first name of the dependent spouse, and fee receipt. Then what is the next document? It is the PR card or citizenship certificate of the sponsor. What you need to do, same again, just go here, last name, first name of the sponsor, and then PR card or citizenship certificate, whatever you want to do. And here is the marriage certificate of the sponsor and the co-signer. If you are not using your marriage certificate, you are using something else to prove your relationship. Suppose you want to use the passport's back page to prove Cindy and Jack Brown relationship, that they are married to each other, then you need to save that document with the different name. Don't write marriage certificate there, because that is not the marriage certificate. As I show you here, I said Brown the last name, Jack the first name of the principal applicant, and then hyphen proof of principal applicant's relationship to the spouse. So that's how I gave the exact name why I am providing that document there. So that's how walk with the document checklist, save each and every document there. When you are saving your photo, you need to save both side of the photo, like front side and the back side of the photo, where you have a stamp from the photographer, like on which date and from which place you got that photograph. So that's how you need to scan your photograph. Another important thing is that your all documents should be in English or French. If they are not there in other language, then you need to get them translated in English or French from a certified translator. Do that before you are scanning and saving your document to upload. Next is where and how to upload forms and documents. Once you are ready with all the documents scanned and saved on your computer properly, what you need to do, you need to log in into your account to upload the documents into the portal. When you start uploading your documents and forms, just follow the document checklist, because at the end you need to upload the document checklist too. So start with the first one, parents and grandparents invitation letter to apply, where you need to upload this document in others form. Just go into your account and scroll down, select here others, click on upload, select the document which you already saved with the name and open, and you can see your document was successfully uploaded, and it is here in others, Brown and Jack Cindy Brown invitation letter. That's how you can upload that first one. Once you done that, go to the next form, IMM 1344. Then again go back to your portal, scroll up and look for the form IMM 1344. Here is IMM 1344. Click on upload, select the form and upload it. You can see your document was successfully uploaded and ready to submit. So that's how you can upload the form. Once you upload this form, just click here tick, then upload the next form, then click here. Once you done that form, only that time you're gonna tick here, not before that. It does not applicable to you, just leave it blank. Generic application form for Canada, just make sure that you have completed it here and it is right. So then you can again click here, and same for if you provide this form is completed for all the family members, just make sure check and then click here additional family information if you are using the use of representative, and then is a processing fees. Again, where you need to submit the processing fees, scroll down and here you can see here you need to upload the processing fee. Just click on upload, select the fee receipt and open. Your proof of payment was successfully uploaded. You're done with this and then you can click here. Next document is PR card or citizenship certificate of the sponsor. This will go in others form like the invitation letter. Marriage certificate of the co-signer and the sponsor will go in others again. If your spouse or common law partner is a co-signer, that spouse or common law partner's PR card or citizen certificate go in others again. I will show you one more time, just one more document how to upload. Again, just go on others, click on upload, select the document, open, and you can see the list of documents here. So that's how you can upload. Make sure your file size will be less than 4 MB. Next document is proof of principal applicant's relationship to sponsor. So here you need to provide sponsor's birth certificate. If you do not have the birth certificate, maybe the back page of your passport if you have your parents' name there, your matrix marks card, your mark sheet, you can provide that, or any other document which can prove your relationship with the principal applicant. Sponsor's relationship with the principal applicant, it will go in others folder again. You need to provide, if I'm not telling where it goes, it means it is going to others folder, so this will go in others folder too. Then upload the travel documents or passport for the principal document and each accompanying dependent, only people who are coming to Canada. For them to upload these documents, go into your portal, choose here travel documents and passports, click here, click on upload. Here I have the passport of Jack Brown. These all things are fake, guys, so don't think like how they look. Just click on open and you can upload the passport. Here you can see they said in this folder, this thing is done. Same you're gonna do with the accompanying dependents. Just upload all the passports and then tick here. Then proof of the principal applicant's relationship to the accompanying dependent, like marriage certificate or back page of passport or any other document to prove your relationship with your spouse. Upload that. It will go in others again. Just click here, proof of principal applicant relationship to company dependent children. For this you need to go in the portal here and upload this document under children information. If you are doing any document you have translated, which is you translated from another language to English, or you have any affidavit, then you need to upload in this section here. So that's how, just read this information that where you need to upload, but I'm telling you the main one that where you need to upload. Next one is your resume, you need to upload in others again. Travel history, this is the form you completed already. Details of military experience if you have one. And then photos, where to upload the photo, just go there, select photos, and you need to upload this documents here. If you have any civil status ID or something, you need to provide here. Just click when you done that. This one again is form which you need to complete and upload here. So once you upload that form and just click here to make sure that you provided all the forms and all the things which you need to. Once you completed your document checklist, you marked it, just go through it again, check it properly. And here is the information guys, you do not need to provide the police certificate and the medical upfront. Just wait for that. They will ask you for the PCC and for the medical examination. At that time you will provide that. At this point you no need to provide PCC and the medical examination for parents and grandparents PR application. Once you completed your document checklist, just save it properly and then upload it in your portal under document checklist. Once you completed all the documents, uploading all the documents and form, just make sure you done each and everything. Just go through again, check everything again, and then scroll down to consent and declare your application. Click on start. Do you as the principal applicant consent to contacted by IRCC or an organization at IRCC request in future? You can say yes or no accordingly, but there's no harm to say yes. Consent to release information to evaluation purposes, again you can refuse, but if you want to, there's no harm to say yes. And then scroll down, electronically sign your application. Here you need to write your full name, means principal applicant need to write their full name. Many people ask, can they sign the application, sign off the application on behalf of their parents? As you can see, you can, but legally you can't. It's just the write the name, so it's very easy process. You can ask anyone to help them. It will be good if that is signing off from their place, because it's very easy to track that from which place the application is getting signed off. They will not bothered by it, but if someone complain and then they need to check, they can get it very easily from there you are signing off your application. So it's a very easy process. Just type the name here. So that's how you type your name to sign it electronically and say complete and return to application. So here you can see that you are ready to submit. You already consent and declare the application. You signed it electronically, like the principal applicant signed it electronically. You can view if you want to, and after that just scroll down and here you can see submit your application. So before hitting this button, just make sure you have checked everything. Go through maybe once again, but you need to make sure that everything is right, because once you hit this button submit your application, you cannot make any change in your application. If IRCC need more information, they can contact you and ask for more information, but you are no longer able to make changes in this application. So if you want to submit, just click on submit your application. I will be making another videos pretty soon on the form you requested already. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. It gives me the motivation to bring more information for you guys. Until then, if you have any question, please feel free to leave me a comment below, DM me on Instagram or email me on canadiancrisma@yahoo.com. I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. See you soon. Till then, stay positive, stay safe, stay connected. Thanks for watching this video.